Prep 1. Today we'll take lesson 5, unit 1, order of mathematical operations. Number 1, perform the operations within parentheses اللي هي brackets يعني. Evaluate the power, perform, time, بعدين divide from left to right. Number 4, perform plus and minus from left to right. We can understand this rule after we solve many examples. Okay? First, by this chart, we can know how we can order of performing of mathematical operation in an expression has no parentheses. Number 1, evaluate the power. يبقى أول حاجة الpower. Number 2, perform multiplication and division in order from left to right. Number 3, perform addition and subtraction in order from left to right. Fine. يبقى number 1 power, perform multiplication and division, perform addition and subtraction in order from left to right. Fine. Okay. Second, order performing the mathematical operation in expression has parentheses اللي هي أول number 1 اللي هو perform the operation within parentheses interior parentheses then exterior ones. Number 2, evaluate the power. يبقى أول واحد يعني أول حاجة بتكون البراكتس. Number 2, evaluate the power. Number 3, perform multiplication and division in order from left to right. Number 4, perform addition, subtraction in order from left to right. Fine. How? Calculate the value of each of the following. Number 1, 8 plus 8 time 2 power 2 minus 7 time 4 plus 1. How we can solve this numerical expression without using calculator? By steps. If we say calculate the value by following steps, should be write the steps for these questions. Don't use a calculator. Just check your answer by using calculator. Okay? Number 1, 8 times 2 power 2 minus 7 times 4 plus 1. Okay. We say before addition inside brackets. يبقى أول حاجة يعني don't solve any number, just number 1 we solve a 2 number inside the brackets. Okay, then 8 times 2 power 2 minus 7 times 5. Okay, this is the first step. يبقى we said in number 1 brackets. Number 2 power. Okay, 8 times, where is the power for this question? Number 2 power 2. Fine. Then 2 power 2 equal 4 minus 7 times 5. Okay, the next from left to right solve a multiplication operation. 8 times 4 32 minus 35, then final answer equal negative 3. Again, the steps to find the value for this numerical expression. The first step, we solve the 2 numbers between brackets. Okay, what is the meaning of solve between 2 numbers between البراكت؟ طب وبقية النمبرز ignore and write this number خلاص. بعدين go to 2 numbers between bracket solve two numbers between the bracket, okay? And this number we don't solve it now. We solve step by step. Okay? يبقى number 1 we add or subtract or multiply or divide any number between bracket. Number 2 solve a number اللي هو ايه؟ الباور numbers. Then write 8 2 power 2 equal 4 minus 7 times 5. Multiplication or division from left to right. Then 8 times 4 32 minus 7 times 5 35 equal negative 3. Number 2 2 plus 3 times 5 plus 4 minus 1 power 2. Okay. Now we have two brackets. We can solve the bracket from اللي هو inside bracket بعد كده outside bracket. Okay, يبقى subtractions inside interior brackets اللي هو ايه بقى؟ 2 plus 3 time 5 plus 3 power 2 4 minus 2 equals 3 يبقى 3 power 2. Okay, we don't solve any numbers for this expression, just according the order. يبقى the first solved order هو between brackets. After we finish we solve the power. After we finish divide or multiplication according left to right. Okay, يبقى number 1 we solve the number between the brackets. The interior bracket 4 minus 1 3 power 2. طب we have exterior bracket يبقى we finish solve the exterior brackets equal 2 plus 3 we have the power يعني 5 plus 9 اللي هو الانسايد في الانسايد bracket. Okay, equal 9. Then we have exterior bracket 5 plus 9 equal 14. 2 plus 3 times 14. Okay, now addition اللي احنا عملنا الاديشن الانسايد البرنسس اللي هي البراكتس عندنا. Then بنعمل الاديشن الاول ولا المالتيبليكيشن؟ المالتيبليكيشن. Then multiply the first step, multiply 3 times 14 equal 42. Okay, يبقى 2 plus 42 equal 44. Again, steps of order of steps of multiplication from this slide يا prep 1. If you can't understand, evaluate اللي هي لما بيكون عندنا brackets, perform an operation within the parentheses, interior parentheses, then exterior ones, evaluate the powers, perform multiplication and division in order from left to right, perform addition and subtraction in order from left to right. Thank you. Okay, for this question we solved the interior brackets أو interior number of brackets 4 minus 1 equals 3 power 2. Okay, after we finish we can solve the power inside bracket. Then 2 plus 3 times 5 plus 9. Okay, now should be الاديشن هو inside الايه البرانسز اللي او البراكتس بتاعتنا هتكون 14. multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Then we have multiplication or division, the same order. يبقى هنا multiplication the first ايه we solve the multiplication 3 times 14. After we finish add 2. يبقى هنا 3 times 14 equal 42 plus 2 equal 44. Now 3 times bracket. We have many our two interior brackets. 3 power 2 plus 1 minus brackets 2 power 3 minus 2. And the first step should be solved power inside the bracket. Then it will be 3 power 2 9 plus 1 minus 8 minus 2. Then solve the interior brackets. هتكون 9 plus 1 10 minus 8 minus 2 6. Then 3 times 10 minus 6. Then 3 times 4. Fine. Okay, equal 12 multiplications. Choose the correct answer from the given ones. 12 divide 3 plus 3 times 2 equal what? Okay, try answer without using calculator. Try answer this questions. Choose the correct answer. I wait you just 30 seconds to find correct answer. We have divide and multiplications. Divide and multiplication. Then what's the order? This the order for answer this numerical expression, multiplication or division, addition or subtraction. Then find a correct answer is, of course, 10. 12 divide 3 equal 4. اوكي، يبقى عملنا الديفيجنز، بعدين الملتبلاي. 3 times 2 equals 6. Then 4 plus 6 equal 10. Fine. Another question. 12 times 2 power 2 divide 24 plus 3 power 2. Okay, try answer. Choose the correct answer from left to right. We perform this expression from left to right. Power, multiply or division, subtract or addition. يبقى number 1 power, divide or division multiplication. Number 3 addition or subtraction. From left to right. Start answer. Then correct answer, of course, is C. How? We start 2 power 2 بالpower 2 power 2 4. Then multiply 12 times 4 40. 12 times 4 48. 48 divide 24. 48 divide 24 equal 2. 2 plus 9 equal 2 plus 9, of course, equal 11. Fine. Now 2 times 5 minus 6 divide by 2. Yalla, start answer ya prep 1. From left to right, it's very easy question. Okay, from left to right, 2 times 5 minus 6 divide 2. يبقى multiplication or division number 1, addition and subtraction. Of course, equal C. How? 2 times 5 equals 10. 10 minus 6 divide 3. 6 divide 3. 6 divide 2, sorry. 6 divide 2 equals 3. Then 10 minus 3, of course, equals 7. Fine. 8 plus 14 divide 2 minus 5. Try answer. 8 plus 14 divide 2 minus 5. Orders, division multiplication, number 1. Number 2, division multiplication. Number 2, addition or subtractions. يبقى نستart بالdivision or multiplication, بعدين addition or subtraction from left to right. Start answer now, prep 1. Okay, fine. Of course, equals C. Sorry. Fourteen divide 2 equals 7. 8 plus 7, 15 minus 5 equal 10.